Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Honda Pilot DVD player. First, find the DVD player unit, usually mounted in the ceiling console for rear passengers. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is set to either the accessory or on position to provide power. Then, simply press the power button on the rear entertainment system to activate it. This gets you ready to enjoy movies on the go, making long trips much more enjoyable for everyone in the back seats. Now, let's load a disc. Take your favorite DVD and gently slide it into the disc slot, ensuring the label side is facing upwards. The system is designed to automatically detect the disc and begin playback within a few seconds. If it doesn't start right away, simply press the play or enter button on the unit or remote control. You'll soon see your movie appear on the screen, ready for viewing. The remote control is your command center for the DVD player. It allows you to effortlessly manage all playback functions from anywhere in the back. You can easily adjust the volume, skip forward or backward through chapters, and pause the movie with a simple button press. Explore the menu options to select different audio tracks or subtitle languages, enhancing your viewing experience. It offers complete control at your fingertips. If you encounter any issues, a few simple steps can help. First, always ensure your DVD discs are clean. A gentle wipe with a soft cloth can often resolve playback problems. Also, check the remote control batteries. Replacing them can fix unresponsive controls. For any specific questions or advanced features, your Honda Pilot Owner's Manual is an excellent resource, providing detailed information tailored to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.